So last class we have discussed about the custom job role using create role function. So when we will go for the custom job role with the create role, because sometime client will ask to three or four roles combine and remove some duties. So the those kind of situation we will go for the custom job role. So by using the custom job role, uh, we can combine multiple job roles and remove some uh, duties or privileges from the custom job role. Okay, that we can attach to any of the user in the company. So at this moment, any question you can ask me. So while after you create the custom job role, XX HR specialist and analyst. Okay, so what type of problems we have faced? First, the page content is not displayed. So page content means structure of the page. Page content means structure of the page not displayed. So why structure of the page not displayed? Because while you create the custom job role, role hierarchy section was empty. Because of that reason, the page content is not displayed after you add this role to the user. So then after that, what we have done, we have navigated to the standard job role and search the person management. So I have specifically taken the example of person management. So I search the person management in the human resource specialist and the duties whatever I have taken from the person management, copy this one and paste into your custom job role under role hierarchy section. Then we got the person management content in the for that user. Okay, so now let's log into the Kumar.user. Let's log into the Kumar.user. So my client group, person management. So now page content is displaying because of role hierarchy. We have put the role hierarchy section. We have added the person management related information. Okay. So now the thing is we need to display the data right. For the person management, we need to display the data right. Data will come or not? Data not coming. So we observed. Okay. We observed that. Sorry, let's. Oh, sorry. Let me save this. Okay. Class 13, huh? 12.
12.
Class 12. Okay. So when we log into Kumar.user, person management content or structure of the page coming. But we observed that data not displayed. So tell me one thing is when you want to display the data on the screen, when you want to display data on the screen, what do you need to do? When you want to display data on the screen, what you want to do?
Data security policy.
Data manage access.
Have to manage data roles.
We have to add the
Data roles.
data. Okay. We need to create the data role on custom job role. So we need to create the data role on custom job role. So what is the custom job role name? So guys, you remember we have created the data role some time back, right?
Yes.
So what is the difference between that data role and this data role? I think 4 or 5 classes back, we have created the data role, right? We have created the data role, one of the class. So what is the difference between that data role and this data role? Anyone can tell answer?
This is
The
job.
custom data role, and that was the standard data roles.
So both are custom only.
The data
That
roles
was a
might be
job
specific.
role. That was a job role, and this is a data role.
The data role might be the OU specific, I think, once. The US is one.
That is
Increase
SCM. We are just displaying the data of US and UK.
No, all people are, whatever you are telling, all 100% wrong. Whatever you are telling, all are wrong. At least one person also not correct.
In the first, we have given the data role in the standard job role. Now we are giving the data role for the custom job role.
That was
Correct
also
answer.
custom job role, right?
Correct answer.
That was also custom data role itself.
See, we have created the whatever Muzamil just now someone said, right? I don't know the name.
Yes, from Shivaram Muzamil. This is Muzamil.
Muzamil said a correct answer. Can you tell Muzamil once again?
Yes, from Shibro.
Tell me once again.
In the first, we have created the data role for the standard job role. Now we have created the custom job role. In that, we are creating the data role.
Correct answer. See, last example, we have created the custom, both are custom only. Both are custom only, guys. Custom data role on standard job role. That is the point you have to tell. Correct or not? Hello.
Yes, from Shibro.
Harshid, you are clear or not now?
Yes.
See, both are custom data roles only. Both are custom data roles only, but the job role is different. So now we need to create the custom data role and custom job role. So we have created the custom data role, standard job role. Now you tell me, guys, why we have to create the custom job role here? Why not we can use only for standard job role here for this case? Anyone can tell the answer?
As per the requirement or restriction of that particular user.
Correct. So as per the requirement, we have created the custom job role. For the custom job role, we have removed some duties. But in this requirement, we don't require any duties removal. So the requirement data restriction is there. Here duties restriction is there. Data also restriction is there. That is the reason we are creating the custom data role and custom job role. In this case, only data restriction is there, guys. There is no duties restriction or privileges restriction. There is no here. But in this case, data restriction is there and duties restriction is there. That is the reason we have created the custom data role and custom job role.
So we can create vice versa also, right? Like, I mean, like it might be custom job role, but no restriction on data. Can that be also happen?
I didn't understand. Custom data role and
custom job role with standard data roles.
Okay, it is possible. No, not possible.
The one
Standard data
we need to one more thing, right? We need to create one custom data role, and the same role we need to attach that job role also, right?
But which job role you are attaching? That is important, na? Custom job role or standard job role?
Custom job. We need to create the custom job role only. Already we have to create one custom job role, right?
That is what we have to do now.
Yeah, in the same way, we need to create one more custom data role. The same data role we need to attach that job role also, right? I mean,
Narendra, you're asking same question. I'm telling you, custom data role. I'm asking the same question to you. You want to attach a custom job role or a standard job role?
Custom job role. We need to create.
Yeah, that is what we have to do now.
Yeah. Okay.
No, my question is, on this point, we need to create that custom data role on custom job role, which is access HR specialist, which we created, right? Can we attach standard data role on a custom job role?
Standard data role on custom
Job role.
See, Bharat, when we create the custom job role, do we require the data role or not? Tell me first.
It is required.
How
My
it will
question is-
require, man? when we create the job role, data role mapping required or not? Tell me.
That's what, for data role mapping, do we need to have always custom data role, or can we go with the standard data role?
No. First, you tell the answer here. When we create the job role, data role mapping required or not?
Yes.
How can you see?
No,
I
no,
think
no.
this not required, Vamsi.
Not
Yeah,
required,
not
nah.
Because
Why?
if you want to display the data only, we require the data role, no? For displaying the data.
Bharat, when job role create చేసినప్పుడు data role ఎక్కడైనా mapping ఇచ్చామా?
No,
I mean, if the requirement is like that, my question is,
There is no concept of, while we create the job role, there is no concept of data role mapping there here.
now what are we
But-
trying to do?
Vamshi, what
We are
you are
trying to
asking,
create
na?
custom data role, right?
When we create the, so simple question here. You are telling that when we create the job role, data role mapping required or not? Yes or no? Tell me first.
No, no.
No.
Then what is your question now? Tell me.
My question,
Vamshi,
now we created custom job role, correct? XX HR specialist analyst with combination of 2 job roles.
Correct.
Now we are
Correct.
trying to map as per requirement. Now the requirement is we need to get some data for this custom job role.
Correct. Yeah.
My question
Correct.
is, do we always need to create custom data role, or can we go ahead with standard data role? Is
First
something like
see.
HR specialist view all. Can we assign that data role to this custom job role?
No,
How we can
Vamshi,
assign?
actually for the custom job role, there is no need of the data role,
Correct.
right? So,
Correct.
but you are asking for the custom role, for the custom job role, what we created, XX HR specialist analyst is the job role. For
Correct.
that, we cannot add any data role.
Correct, no?
So,
Correct, we can.
for suppose if to get the data, this XX HR specialist analyst is the one job role. We have logged in with Kumar.user. For that, we are not getting any person data. To get
Correct.
the data, for this job role, how to get this data for this particular job role? Do we
That
need
is what we have to do now.
Yeah.
That is what we have
For
to do.
that, do we need
That
to
is our
create
next
any
task.
other custom role? For that, do we need to create any custom role, or do we need to go in task privileges?
Custom
Data role, no?
we need to create the custom data role. That is what I'm telling you.
But we can create the custom data role, but that okay, whatever we create, whatever we are going to create this custom data role, where we can attach this custom data role. To get
User,
this
na?
data- Oh, okay. That one more separate custom data role need to be created and that attached to the user.
Custom
Correct.
job role.
We should not attach to any job role, this particular data role. Why? Because we cannot add any custom data role to the job role.
See, that steps are, I think you will understand after completion of the steps, guys. Okay. Yeah, you are reaching the points, but after completion of the steps only you will understand.
Vamshi, when you do practical, we will get it. Now
Yeah,
there will
correct.
be a lot of questions.
Yes. So after completion of this task, you can ask me guys questions, huh? Bharat, Kumar.
Yeah, got it.
Vamshi, I have one doubt. Can I ask you?
Yeah, you can ask me.
When we are using the standard job role, okay, when we are using the standard job role, we will go to user. In that, we will assign the job role, okay, standard one, okay. When we are not going for any custom, that time, you have any screen or anything required to attach any data role. If we require data to that page, for example, if you want to have a data, okay, but standard only, I'm saying, not custom. Is there any specific thing that you are attaching your data role, standard data role, to need to get the data? For our instances, wherein your client customer, when we started the implementation project, we need to get the data, right? We need to get the data.
That already told, no? HR specialist view all is there, no?
What is that view? Is a data role, okay?
Correct, data role, yeah.
That data role you are specifically attaching anywhere, or else by default it will come as you are attaching your standard job role. In the same way, are you attaching any data role every time?
To the user, no?
where is the screen that you are assigning the data role to the user? You are attaching job role to the user. One screen you showed you, but where is the data role you are attaching to the user? Every time you are attaching to the user or job role, which page you are attaching standard data role? I'm asking.
Same now. I think one of the class I explained. Let me show you that class also.
I think in setup and maintenance, we need to go and search the managed database, and then we attach to the user.
Yeah, in the managed data access page is there. Even I also saw in the setup and maintenance screen. We have
Archana, you see this one of the class I explained.
Yeah, there is a one privilege, manage data access.
You see
yeah, I also saw that. Okay, even manage user in that manage data access screen. There even we are assigning business unit or a specific ledger, whatever we are assigning, that we are specifically we are retrieving from that. But I did not see any data role name or something like that. Whatever the job roles we attached in that user, the same job roles even we are attaching over here.
Daddy?
I did not even see the specific data roles. If you go to that page, I will tell you actually. I can explain you in the setup and maintenance screen. In that data access, manage data access.
Archana, I think
that is
yours
different,
is a
right?
very big topic. Okay, we will complete this one to avoid the confusion for everyone. I'll spend time with you, and because some pressure people are there, they will get confused. I will spend time with you, and we will discuss on that. Okay, your matter, no? That matter.
Okay.
Definitely, I will spend time after the class. Let me complete this one so that other people will not have any confusion. Okay. Okay. So now what we need to do, guys, it's straightforward, guys. I'm telling you, we need to create the custom data role and custom job role. So why custom job role we require? Because we have to remove some duties here. So we need to create the custom data role and custom job role. So while you create the custom job role, there is no data role mapping required. Only while you create the data role only, custom job role mapping required. Okay. Here, now navigate to the sujan.user. Setup and maintenance. Search. Manage data role. Manage data role and security profiles. Click on create. So previously what we have done, guys, I will tell you. In the while you create the data role on the data role for the that requirement only to display UK country data, I have used here job role name. Resource specialist. You remember or not?
Yes.
It is a standard job role I have used. Correct or not? So that time what I have mentioned XX data role view only UK. Remember or not? So this is the custom data role and standard job role case. Custom data role and standard job role case. Let me note down the Word document to avoid the confusion. Data role on standard job role. Custom data role standard job role. I'll take the screenshot. Custom data role on standard job role. In the next screen, we have restricted the data remember or not? UK something we have done, right? Here. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now I will take the screenshots. So this is the custom data role standard job role that we have done for to restrict the data for UK country data. Correct, right?
Yes.
But this time we don't have an option, we don't have a requirement for duties restriction. Correct, right? Only data restriction is there that time.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so listen carefully, guys. Pay attention. Custom data role and custom
Custom job role.
job role. This time we have duties restriction
And date.
data on data. That is the reason we have customized the job role and we are creating the custom data role and custom job role. So listen carefully, guys. Pay attention. Cancel here. So create here. Click on create. So what I am doing here. So what is the job role name?
Custom
XHR specialist. XX HR specialist. So this is the custom job role and this is the custom data role. Okay. Take the screenshot. Click on next. Click on next. Okay. So now, what is your observation here? So while I am creating the custom data role and custom job role, how many options came? Country security profile. 3 options came, right? Here. in the security profile screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Security profile. So if you look at this one, while I'm creating the data role and standard job role in the security profile screen, how many options are coming?
Up to 8, 7 to 8.
Some 8 or 9 is coming, right? Hello.
Yes,
Are you
yes.
observing or not?
Yes.
So what is the difference between these two?
Because it is custom data job role. Due to that, restrictions on duties is there, no? So that is why we are getting only limited number of fields.
Okay. So what we need to do for that? So what is the difference between these two guys? So here first in the first screenshot, first 2 screenshots, custom data role and standard job role. So we are getting all the options. And while we create the custom data role and custom job role, we are getting only limited option here. So you observe one point here, guys. You remember I will keep on telling, while we create the job role, we kept one section was empty, right? What is that section?
Data security.
Data security policies.
Data security policies section. This is the culprit for this one. So these options are not coming. Why? In the job role, in the custom job role, data security policies section was empty. Because of that reason, we are not getting the options here. While you create the data role on custom job role, we are not getting all the options. Why? Because while you create the job role, data security policies section was empty. Because of that reason, we are not getting the options while you create the data role on custom job role. I will note it down this one. While we create the data role on custom job role under the security profile screen, all the options are not coming.
It is custom data role, no? While creating that custom data role.
Creating means custom only.
Yes.
While we create the custom data role and custom job role under the security profile section, all the options are not coming because while job role creation time, data security policy section was empty. Understand?
Vamshi, this excess HR specialist analyst is the job role only, right?
HR specialist analyst is job role and correct.
On top of this only, we have kept it empty, this security policies, right? Not on the custom job, data role, right?
Yeah, custom yeah, yes, correct. So here the options are not coming, right? Why these options are not coming? Because while we create the custom job, this job role creation time, Kumar, this job role
that's
creation
what.
time.
In the description you mentioned, while we create the custom data role, you are saying, but here we have not created any custom data role, we have created only custom job role.
Creation, the custom data role creation time only, we are not getting the options, right?
We are creating new custom role based on the custom job role, right?
Right.
Yeah, in the custom job role, the Vamsi is not assigning any data security policies, right? At the time
Correct.
of job role creation.
Correct. So that is the reason these options are not coming, Kumar. Clear, no?
Yes.
Okay. So now what we need to do?
Go to custom job role.
So, okay, I will show you one option, guys. I will show you one option. You can try other options. Okay. So let's say, for example, while I'm creating the data role on standard job role, there is an option called organization security profile. So this organization security profile not coming here, right? Hello. I am going to concentrate only for one option. You would try other options. So this organization security profile option I will bring here. If I show one security profile option to be displayed here, you can do other things also, no? Right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So far clear or not, guys? I will take the questions after completion of this task, guys. I will take your questions, whatever you have, after completion of this task. The solution is, listen carefully, step 1. First problem you understand, right?
Yes.
Problem is simple and straightforward, guys. While I am creating the custom data role and custom job role, security profile screen options are not coming. So why security profile options are not coming? Because while I am creating the job role time, job role creation time, data security policy section was there. That time we were put the empty. Because of that reason, security profile screen, we are not getting all the options. So for this issue, what I'm telling is, I'm going to concentrate on one security profile that should be displayed into here. That should be displayed into here. Okay. For that, step one. First, navigate to standard job role. What is the standard job role name? Resource. Listen carefully, guys. This last topic in the security tab. Security. First, navigate to standard job role. And then under data security policies. Under data security policies. So what I will do? Go to the tools, security console, roles, and source. Specialist. Man resource specialist. Create role. Go to the data security policy section. In the standard job role, data security policy section, search the name as organization. Search the name as organization under the data security policies in the standard job role. Okay, so what you will do, you take this one. Following or not? Organization units, classification done, information. Just take the unique names.
So the same names repeating, right? Is there any
See, I said the name and organization, right? That is the reason it is coming. That is the reason multiple times it is there, it is coming like that. You take the unique names, Narendra. Step 2. Tell me, guys, what is the step 2?
Navigate to custom job role.
Correct.
Tying this to custom.
Navigate to the custom job role. Navigate custom job role. Under data security policy section. Navigate to custom job role under data security policy section. Paste Above information. Yes. Oh. Edit. Click on next. So because of here empty, because of this region, because of empty, we are not seeing all the options here. So now we are concentrating on organization security profile should be displayed here. Okay. So for that, go to the data, go to the create data security policy. Create data security policy. You can select this list of values. List of values. So following it. Okay. Just add. Just select something. Just select some checkboxes. So second one. So whatever you copied, right?
One more thing, already personal management is there, no, for this custom job role. Why it is not visible here?
Person management
is already added to this, right? For HRX.
No, it's not data security policy, right?
This is data security. No? That is content we are talking about previously. First the issue was page content is not coming. That issue we have already fixed. This is for data issue. Data security policies. Just select something. That's it. So we added the. Let me get the screenshot for this. Okay. Now click on next. In the custom job role section, organization related information added in the data security policy section. Next. Next. Save and close. Okay, guys. So this step's done. Step 2. Step 2 also done. How to test? Step 3, tell me.
Log into the user.
Log in with the employee.
So where the options are not coming? Where the options are not coming?
Person management.
No.
Custom data role.
Security profile screen options are not coming.
While creating the custom data.
Correct. While you create the custom data role, security profile screen options are not coming. So here we need to test whether whatever organization related we added for this job role. So with this, because of this organization security profile option coming or not. So for that, what you will do? Tell me, guys.
Go to the custom data role.
Yeah, very good. Go to the custom data role. Correct answer. Search. Manage data role. Click on correct. So here what I will mention: XX, HR, analyst, specialist, data role. Here we need to mention the custom job role name. So what is the expectation in the next screen, guys? What is the expectation in the next screen?
To get the
Organization security profile option will come. Coming or not? No.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, whatever you want, you can add here. So just to display the data in the custom job role and custom data role. Okay. Just add something. We add the UK only. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. So we are creating the custom data role and custom job role. Okay, we are creating the custom data role and custom job role. We are creating the custom data role and custom job role under the data role. Okay, under the security profile section, we observe the organization security profile option. Security profile option displayed. Under the security profile section, we observe that organization security profile option displayed. Okay. Next, step 4, create the data role. Continue the data role. Step 5. What is the step 5, guys?
We need to check.
Attach the data role to attach the data role to attach the custom data role to attach the custom data role to command.user. So what is the custom data role name?
Six. Just specialist.
Analyst specialist.
XX HR analyst and specialist data role. Security profile assigned. This green tick indicates we have created the data role and job role.
Also, do we need to edit, right? Edit this data role, right?
We can edit also.
Okay, then you want to add other few more security profiles, right?
Yeah, that is possible.
Okay.
That is possible using edit option. Huh? So now what is the last step? Go to security console. Now I'll ask one question to you guys. In the kumar.user already job role is there, na? Kumar.user already job role is there, right? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
So I will ask one question to you guys. Now I am adding the job data role, right? Do we require this job role to be added here?
No.
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 But because the data role was created using this job role and custom job role, right?
Correct. So because this job role not required for this user. Why? Because already we have created the data role on that job role. Okay, so that will be inherit, right? So when we add this data role, to the user, kumar.user, this itself included the job role, right? This itself included the job role. So you no need to specifically add the job role to the kumar.user. Hope you understand that we already discussed many times. Save and close.
If keep it as is, there no difference, right?
Nothing, yeah. There is no impact on that. If it is job role is there, so there is no impact. So but as we know the concept, right? Why do we have to keep the job role here? So this itself contains that job role. So you no need to specifically add that. So if you add also, nothing will be impact on the application level. Now last step. Tell me.
Kumar.user.
Logging with Kumar. Go to person management screen.
data may or may not come. Why? Because security profiles all not there, right? Data will come. If data not come, maybe security profiles. Okay, my client. So this is the browser issue. So this is the browser issue. Command.user. Go to my client group. Go to what is this here? So this is a browser issue here. Did we add it or not? We have not saved. Huh? After adding the data role, we have not saved, I think. I think, yeah. Go to the tools, security console. I forgot to save or saved, I don't remember. After adding the role.
I think saved on save because
Saved, huh?
cleared and add the new data role, right?
Yeah. Just verification I'm doing. Yeah, it is there. It is there, that's fine. I think it's a browser catching issue is there. Just to put this browser. It is browser issue. Go to the command.user. My client group, so it is coming now. Person management. Person number you can search. Okay. Data coming, right? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, now
Yes.
tell me guys your questions. First we'll go for Bharat and Kumar. Then we'll clarify Archana. Bharat, now you can ask me question.
Yeah, so whenever we create custom job role, by default we have to create custom data role.
Custom job role, there is no usage, no?
No, reverse you are saying. The reverse is correct, but it's not correct.
Custom job role, there is no use, right? If you create the custom job role, data also, if you want to display the data, custom data role required. Custom job role, after creating the custom job role, only the options will come, right, Bharat?
Yeah, but you cannot see data.
You cannot see the data. Yeah, correct.
To create the
If we
data,
want, we can add it.
to
If
see
you want,
the
you can
data,
add. If you want, you can add the
Yes.
custom job role also, but
That's
there is no use, right?
The privileges and duties will be there.
So mainly it is
privileges
to
and duties will
restrict
be
the
there.
options. Custom job role is to restrict the options.
Custom job role after you create, na? Only you can add the custom job role also, Bharat. But only you can see privileges and options, right? So what is the use of these privileges and options? The most important thing is data required, right?
Yeah.
For that, we need to create the data role.
So, yeah, there is no point like if I add a HR specialist view all, the standard job role, data role to the user, and we also add custom job role to the user, it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense, huh? Correct.
So by
Your
default, it
understanding
will
correct.
take HR specialist view or data role as a, to that user.
See, when you add the HR specialist view already, this is the data role, no? That we already know.
Yeah. So by
So-
default, it has job role also.
Exactly, correct.
If can we add this standard data role to the custom job role? I think custom job role no, for the user.
This one?
Yeah, this one to see the data in the person management to see the data. Do we need to you can add it this particular standard data role, right? Instead of creating custom data role. Instead of creating custom data role to see the data, directly you can add this one also, right?
That is the reason I told you, Kumar. That is the reason I told you this standard data role having all the data, na? All country data.
Right. All country data. But we need to restrict some data. We should
Restrict some data, then we create custom data.
we
Custom
have
data
created
role.
custom data role. Okay.
Yeah.
When this manage data access privilege
That is for FSCM module.
Okay, right.
This is for HCM.
Okay, good.
But clarified your doubt or not now?
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow, see, guys, I'm telling you, tomorrow also, let me complete. Tomorrow also, I will take the 13 classes, whatever I have covered, right? I'll recap one by one. Okay, tomorrow. Yeah, I'll recap whatever we discussed the last 13 minutes.
That is better.
Yeah, now you, someone is asking Muhammad Moinuddin, tell me.
Yeah, Vamshi, how about the copy role, which is we copied from the standard job role? So for that also we need to.
Tell me, yeah.
For that also we need to create a custom data role to see the data.
For that also we need to see the. For that also we need to do that step.
Okay.
See, for any job role, if you want to display the data role is mandatory. Even, yeah, you are asking correct question. For copy role case, we have not created the data role.
Yes.
For copy role that time, I have not created the data role. Why? Because that time the copy role part, data security policies and role hierarchy automatically filled. That is the reason I have not shown data role creation that time.
Yeah, okay.
Archana, now you ask the question.
Vamshi, actually my doubt is I asked the question where we need to attach the data role. So
data role to the user or data role to the user or user?
User, you went to security console. In that the same how we added the job role.
Same.
The same way attached the data role also, right?
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Yeah. That is what I actually asked a question. Whenever you create a custom role or standard role, whatever the role, data role, so every time you are attaching the data role, is that compulsory required if at all we want to data coming to the standard job role, we attach to some job role. So in the same place, even though you are attaching the data role also, in the real time also, in the same screen we are going to attach the data role whenever we job role is required, that is okay. But I'm telling data role, without any data role we don't get a data, or what is that?
Correct. That is what discussion Bharat and Kumar I discussed. So whatever the question, same question Bharat also asking. See, even though even though you have a job role, if you are not creating the data role on top of the job role, there is no use of adding the job role to the user, right?
So every time you are attaching the data role also, real time also, whenever you went to like real time, whenever we are going with that, we are attaching the data role or a job role. Which one we are attaching every time? Like in the security console, are you attaching a data role or job role in the real
data
time?
Role. Real time also data role. Yeah.
You are not attaching the job role. So data role, if you attach, by default job role also is involved in that. So every time you're attaching the data role only, not job role.
Correct. You're understanding correct. See, this data role itself having the job role.
Yeah.
Okay, so may I know the difference between standard naming convention is there, right? Aura and whatever in the first session or second session we discussed, the standard job role which starts with Aura. So what is the difference we can identify with the job role and data role? Like what is the difference? Aura.
Yeah, if you want to identify the data role and job role, that also I told you, I think one of the class. You search the any data role, edit. There you can see the data role or job role.
But okay, Vamshi, in the security, this one setup and maintenance, we have a one manage data role page is there. Okay, manage data role screen is there. In that, what actually we will do in that page?
Manage data role, we can create the data role there. Manage data role section, we can create the data role.
We can create a data role.
Custom data role.
Custom data role.
Not manage data role, manage data access in setup and maintenance.
Manage data access, I already told you, no? Manage data access, that is for FSCM.
That is a finance mode.
Okay, that is for FSCM.
This is for
okay.
HCM.
So in that screen, what we will do? Manage data access screen.
Manage data access for user screen. We are restricting the data for finance and supply chain management rules.
Okay.
I think you go through the videos. I clearly explain each and every class step by step.
Okay, Vamshi. I will go through that. After that only I will get clarity. Then I have a questions I'll ask you.
Yeah, no problem.
Data role concept is HCM. Manage data access concept is FSCM.
Exactly correct.
Okay. Okay, in the coming to this HCM and FSCM total a little bit difference is there. Even though coming to the managed data role also, Oracle is given by different aspects. Like FSCM we have to do in some other way, and HCM is different from FSCM.
Exactly correct. HCM the process is different. FSCM the process is different.
Process is different. Okay, fine, Vamshi.
I have to jump other call, guys. Thank you. Tomorrow I will take the questions if you have. But I will recap tomorrow whatever we discussed 13 classes. Tomorrow 14th class. Next Monday I will conduct the mock interview 1, guys, on security topic. Mock interview 1. Total 10 mock interviews are there. First mock interview on Monday. You prepare, guys, whatever we covered.
Next is reports, right, Vamshi, after this?
Yeah, next report. Yeah. Tomorrow Thursday, right? Friday I will start the reports.
Yes.
Tomorrow just recap and questions and answers on the security. Friday I will start the OTBA reports. Monday, mock interview 1.
So when are we going to have this 2-hour session?
We will start very soon, Marad. I will announce the date in another couple of days. Just wait for another.
Monday we can start, I guess.
No, not Monday. I will tell you just very soon we will start. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
I will tell you in 2-3 days before advance. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Take care.